Here I have OPPO A1X, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device right now. So what can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? So firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on and you can see OPPO logo appeared, you can release power key, and after you see recovery mode saying here in small letters, you can release all keys. In the following mode, select English, then select format data, then you have to enter verification code, like not this one, you will have your own unique code, and then just confirm that you want to format the data. And after a few seconds, all the data will be wiped from your device, including your photos, videos, music, contacts, settings, everything, and also lock screen password. And device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.